Good morning, class 12th for painting subject. Today we are going to start our unit 3rd. Here we will do first evaluation of Indian national flag. Okay. Yes, national flag. 3 phases of evaluation of the flag. The first is 1906, middle 1921 and final 1947 stages. Now start. Name of the flag. The Indian national flag known as tricolor. Next, size of the flag. In the ratio of 3:2, for example, if length is 3 meters, then width will be 2 meters. Now color combination. 3 equally proportional stripes, saffron on top, white in middle and green in lower part. Ashok Chakra marked with dark blue color in the middle of white stripe is equal to its width. Now description. India's national flag, tricolor, is the glory of Indian people and a symbol of their international identity. The ratio of the length and width of the national flag is 3:2. The flag is made up of 3 proportional horizontal colored stripes, upper saffron, middle white and lower green. In the middle of white stripe equal to its width has been marked Dharma Chakra or Ashok Chakra with dark blue color containing 24 spokes is that has been taken from the vertex of Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. There is symbolic meaning of all the colored stripe and chakra or wheel used in national flag, such as the Indian saffron color is the symbol of dare and sacrifice. White color symbolize the truth, honesty and peace, and the Indian green color is symbol of prosperity and happiness. In the same way, at all 24 hours, day and night, increase and freely following the way of truth, remain proceeding ahead on the path of progress and to carry the country on its apex. With this idea, the Ashok Chakra has given place in the middle part of the flag. 24 spokes represent 24 hours of the day. The shape of the flag was approved by the Indian Constitution Committee as the Indian national flag on the 22nd of July 1947 AD after a deep deliberation in which the feeling and sentiments of the Indian people, political and social aspirations and expectations and longings of the Anglo were taken into consideration. On the 15th of August 1947, when India became independent as a national flag, it was hoisted from the rampart of the Red Fort in Delhi, and since then has been a tradition of hosting it on various national occasions and on government buildings. Indian citizens have constitutional right to host it, but with few conditions and guidelines. It is not so that the national flag was suddenly brought before the Constitution Committee, but after a deep deliberation, it was approved. Behind its development is a long history. In the beginning of the 20th century, the nationalistic movement for freedom were going on to be fast, and the movementalists were adopting new techniques to create pressure on the British rulers to accept their demands for the purpose of breaking the unity between the Hindu and the Muslims. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was a deliberate scheme or trick of the British rulers against that in entire Bengal and later throughout India. The revolutionary movement caught fire. On August 7, 1906, meeting was organized by Congress Committee in Paris, Bangan Square. It is a park of Calcutta. Now, Calcutta, to express the feeling of the people, a flag which may be called as the first national flag was hoisted. It had 3 horizontal stripes in green, yellow and red colors. In the uppermost green stripe were made 8 white lotuses in a straight line. In middle, yellow stripe was written with dark blue color Vande Mataram in Devanagari script, while in lower red stripe a sun on left side and half moon with the star on right side were marked with white color. The second flag was prepared by